source RDBMS. So MySQL is an RDBMS which is open source. What is the meaning of open source? It's freely available, right? So for you to download it, install it and use it, you don't have to pay any licensing fee. For whichever tool, you don't have to pay any licensing fee. That tool is called as an open source tool, right? In the same way, MySQL is an RDBMS. It's a relational database management system, right? You don't have to pay any money to anyone to use it. That's why it is an open source RDBMS. But remember, few years back, Oracle took the ownership of MySQL. So now, the company which owns MySQL database is Oracle, but they are still giving MySQL as an open source database for everyone to use. So they are not taking any money from you. Okay. Any questions on this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir?
Yes.
सर अभी आप पढ़ा रहे हो सो ऑन द अदर हैंड साइड बाय साइड चाहिए तो वो लिंक डाउनलोड हो जाएगा सर जस्ट वांट टू आस्क कि सर यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शंस है सो विच वन वी शुड गो लाइक 2.4 M या 435.7 M if you can confirm and tell us
Go for the second option.
435
the bigger one.
okay sir
Okay.
yes
एंड सर 32 बिट बोल रहा है तो
86
32 बिट
Just go with that. That should be fine.
ओके सर
Okay.
यस
Now let's understand some whatever terms you are reading here, right? Those are like all very very important terms, right? So as I said, right, RDBMS. Remember, RDBMS is Relational Database Management System, right? Full form everyone would remember after 8 days of training, that's for sure. I mean, very very rare that people not even remember what is RDBMS. But the point is understanding what is RDBMS, what are the features of RDBMS, and stuff like that, right? So that we are going to go through during the training. Terminology, right? Data. What do you mean by data? When someone asks you what is data, data is basically any information or facts, right? So whenever you have any information or fact, that's nothing but data, right? So it's pretty generic term. It means any kind of information or fact is called as data. Collection of data is called as database, right? So whatever type of data you are collecting would be referred as a database. Consider your office register or a college register, right, where you're marking your attendance. Even that's attendance data is your database, right, because you're collecting all the attendance, right? That's also a database. Okay. Now the third term is DBMS. It's a software to manage data. So example like Excel. In Excel you can collect data, you can manage your data. Yes or no? You all have used Excel or have heard about Excel?
yes sir
In Excel you can collect any amount of data and you can manage that data, right? Now the fourth is RDBMS, right? So in RDBMS, it's also kind of DBMS, but in RDBMS, you can define relationship among your different data sets, right? So if you have multiple types of databases, data sets, and you are able to define relationship among your data sets, then that type of DBMS is called as RDBMS, okay? And that's why you're using the term relational, which means you are able to define relationship in the RDBMS. Are we clear on all the four terms? So in DBMS, you are not allowed to create relationships, but in RDBMS, you are able to create relationships. Make sense?
yes sir
Questions on this slide?
sir
Yes.
sir can you give a small example which compares the DBMS and the RDBMS terminologies
That's what is good. Yeah, those all will come in the coming slides.
okay
relationship means what kind of relationship we can define in RDBMS
So just stay for the next page. That's what. Consider we have two tables, right? You all understand what is a table? A table is a set of columns and rows. Okay. So whenever you're creating tables in RDBMS, you are basically defining what columns you have and what rows you have. Okay. So consider we have two tables, table 1 and table 2. Okay. Table 1 name is EMP. Table 2 name is department. Okay. EMP table have columns like EID, ENAME, salary and department ID. And in department table you have only department ID, department name and department location. Now in this example I have two tables, and what is the relationship? In this table an employee works in a department, right? And that department details are stored in this table. So basically having a relationship between employee table and department, which means an employee works in a department and you get the details of the department from the department table. Okay, so this kind of relationship is allowed in RDBMS. What is the advantage of this relationship? Suppose in the department table you have only two departments, HR department and IT department. Now you are getting a new employee in the company, and that new employee can either work in HR or IT, right? Can you put that employee department in some other employee in some other department which does not exist? Answer is no, you cannot. You can only put this employee in a department which exists in the department table. So basically we are defining relationship between two different tables in RDBMS. Are we clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Sir, can you give me another
Yes,
example?
That will come. Are we clear with this example?
Sir, not understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See this here.
No, sir.
Let me know when you can see my Excel file. You see my Excel file?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Suppose this is my department table. Okay. We have three departments here. Okay.
Please mute, guys.
So I'm creating a table which has two columns. Okay. Now I'm going to create another table which is employee table. And I have columns like EID, ENAME and department ID. So if I have told that this table is referencing this table, is related to this table, right? On which column? Department ID.
Department ID.
And I'm adding three employees. Okay. Department ID can only be 1, 2 or 3. Can I have 4 here? This is not allowed. This will not work. Not allowed. Okay. But can I put 1 here? Allowed. 2 here? Allowed. So this 2 rows will be allowed. The other first row will not be allowed. Make sense on what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
This is the meaning of relationship.
Sir, so basically two tables with same column, we can say that they are relational.
Yes, you are relating them. And then in this table is basically, this table is called as the child table because this is referencing the parent table, and this table is called as parent
sir,
table.
we have limit in departments.
Correct. So value exists in the child table only if the value exists in the parent table. The value exists in the child table only if the value exists in the parent table. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
And understand it practically as well, right? So in any company, will you allow an employee to work in a department which does not exist?
No.
It's
No.
not an integrity of the data, right? You want the person to work only on a department which exists, right? So you cannot put him in a department which is going to be created in the future. Are you all clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So is it like inheritance?
Sort of, yes. But not exactly inheritance, because in inheritance it takes the properties automatically. Okay, here I'm not taking any property. Here I'm just saying that the value will exist only if the value is there in the parent table. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is a table? Table in RDBMS terms is also called as an entity. Okay, another very common question of interview, right? So instead of directly asking you, can you explain what is a table? The other person might ask, what is an entity? And trust me, I've seen a lot of people are not able to recall that entity is nothing but a table. So entity in RDBMS terms is also defined as any real world object. So entity in RDBMS terms is also called as what? Any real world object about which you can gather information. Okay. So what is that? It's basically a set of rows and columns, right? You're collecting data about it. So columns are, I hope you all understand what is column, right? EID is a column here, ename is a column, salary is a column.
Yes, sir.
And row is what? The actual data, right? 1A 100, 2B 100, 2B 200. Are we clear on what is a table?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the speed fine? Anyone feeling